We are just going to see how to install a super compact whole house water purifier of brand Water Sparks, and this is a new invention of 2019, and this is the only system which has got the whole house filter which has got a backwash technology, which means your whole house water purifier you don't require a filter change, and this is a one-time investment for you, and you have the backwash which cleans the filter automatically. And these are things which is inside your box, and you have a tube and you have a charger cable for charging this unit, and you have also a spanner to unlock the filter in case you want to clean it every 6 months once. And you also have a clamp just to fix it on the wall and hold this filter. Actually, this filter doesn't require a clamp at all, in fact, because you have this is a 360-degree latest technology twistable one where you can just fix it on your pipeline, and even you can twist this and turn on your any direction. So all you need to do is you need to fix it on your pipeline like this, so that the water which goes to your overhead tank, it passes through in this direction, and all your water is filtered water. And you also have a couple of, because this size what you have is 1 inch, if you want to connect directly on your 1 inch, you just need to fix some unions and connect this, so that in case of any service you can remove this from the union and bring this out. Otherwise you can also fix this with your 1/4 inch which has got a washer inside, and so you can fix this. And now I'm just going to, and you also have a pressure gauge on top of this, where it shows what is the amount of pressure which is water is forced into this line. And you have a charger cable, and you have a backwash line at the bottom, which the backwash is going to happen automatically. So you have this need to be fixed here at the bottom here down, add some Teflon tape, and then fix this at the bottom. And you just need to take this tube out and just push it inside and put this other end of the tube to the drain. Okay, see, this unit can be fixed in between your pump and your overhead tank, so whatever the water is stored in your overhead tank is going to be crystal clear, as is what I said. Otherwise also you can fix it after your pressure boosting system, that is in the sense, if you have your overhead tank, after your overhead tank you'll have a pressure boosting system on the outlet line also, you can connect this filter this way, whichever way the way you want to fix this. Now let's go to the setting part of this unit, and you have a display unit here, and this is a lithium ion battery inside, and you just need a power point whenever you fix this unit, so that this can be connected with your telephone charger also. And in case you do not have a power point and you want to do a backwash manually, you can have a power bank like this and connect to the power bank and also do a backwash. And let's go to the setting part now. And setting, you need to push this button once. So now you can see how many days in a month you have got 30 days. So if you want the backwash cycle to happen 30 days once also, you can do it. But usually because the cycle the much earlier and often is better, so I'm just going to set up this maximum is a 30 days limit. So I'm going to set it for 2 days once. And after you do this setting, once you press this again, now it goes to the seconds part, which means after 2 days, so how many seconds this flush valves needs to be kept open, that is the backwash line here. So this needs to be kept open. Maximum setting on this is for 99 seconds. So now I'm just going to go to 99 seconds, so which is the maximum setting, which means for 99 seconds, which means almost 1 minute and 39 seconds will be the backwash happening on your system. In case if you want to do the backwash manually, you can also do by pressing this minus button for a long press, so that this valve inside goes for a backwash and you get the water in the drain. So all you need to do is just press this for a while, and now the backwash is set, backwash is happening, and after 100 seconds maybe, then again it closes the valve back again. This unit also can be fixed on your apartments, where you have inside your apartment you have a separate pipeline entering your apartment. You can fix just before the water entry point, and also can be fixed on any of your bathrooms also. and this acts as a whole apartment filter, and this is very compact and so nice, so it's very useful. And I want to tell one more information about this filter is you cannot use this filter for removal of iron or very fine dust particles. This will remove only iron, that is dissolved iron after precipitation. That means you have to aerate the water and after that push into this filter. This will remove up to 1 ppm of iron, not more than that. So otherwise this filter is perfectly fine for any removal of sediment impurities. This is actually is a glass on top of this, which is a Gorilla Glass. So you can remove this off, because if you have some water particles, then it will have a stain mark on your place. So you just need to peel this off. Just if you make a mark cutting here and just peel this off. So the display looks very excellent and elegant, and you can start using it. We have made a small setup for the understanding now, and here you have the raw water collection water, or you have the suspended impurities water here, and you also have a small motor pump here, and from which it goes to the filter there, and from there it goes to the collection tank, which is the purified water. Now we are going to see WaterSpark's whole house water purification system, how we are going to do the backwash. And as I told you, this requires a compulsory power, because the backwash has got an automatic solenoid valve inside, which turns this unit to the automatic backwash mode. So this is a USB type B charging port, where you just need to have a cell phone charger to connect this, and you need a power source for this, and then only this can be operated. And because we do not have a power source, I have just connected this with a power bank, and already there is an inbuilt battery on this one also. It doesn't mean that if you're going to remove the power at any point, it should work for about a couple of hours or 3 hours more. I'll show you how you're going to do a backwash of this manually. You just need to press this long press of this minus symbol for a long time, and now the valve is getting open and it's ready for backwash. This is WaterSpark's super compact whole hose filtration system, and this can be fixed in between your sump motor to your overhead tank, or in between your bowl motor to your overhead tank also. And the left one is an automatic one, which has got an auto backwash, and the right one is a manual one. You have to do the back flush manually. And let's see what water it can purify. If it's going to be a sediment water like this, of course it can purify. And even sandy water, yes, of course. And if it's going to be a muddy water, maybe about 10% results, so not recommended. Iron water, maybe 20% results, so not recommended, maybe to some extent, that's all. And hard water, only about 10% result.